to create beautiful lotus flowers by Shavy and Yarny, you will need this: a post-it note. Away we go.
First, you need to take the piece of paper, then you need to fold it diagonally. Make sure the edges are perfect. Then do this to the other side. Then open it up. Then flip it over and bring the corners to the middle. Do this for all 4 sides. Then do it again with the 4 corners that you have now. Do this again for all 4 corners. Now, take 2 of the corners and open them up. Then take the flap that's on the other side and press with both of your fingers and create it into like a lotus petal shape. Do this again to all 4 of your lotus corners. And after you're done, just press the little bit of paper that's on the inside to make sure it looks nice and neat. Then when you're done with that, flip it over and there's gonna be a piece of paper on the other side. Take it and pull it out and flatten it. This will be the base of your lotus flower. It will be like the base. That's it.
Thanks for watching.